It's Sunday afternoon, raining cats and dogs outside. Perfect time to play some games, have some fun. But then, over the past few weeks, I started to notice something really strange. The fans of my computer were spinning way faster than usual. And by the colors of the RGB, I feel that my GPU is overheating because red means bad. Then I decided to check the numbers. And
Houston, we have a problem.
oh my gosh, the numbers are not looking good at all. For a water-cooled system, I'm not expecting that. I would say between 60 degrees, 70 degrees maybe. It's definitely time to go hardware.
Yay!
But why the numbers are so high? Well, I'm gonna be honest with you. It's been 18 months that I don't touch my computer to do a maintenance. Replace the coolants, tie the screws, check the thermal paste. 18 months. So I hope that's the reason. But we're gonna start just replacing the coolants, and then I hope that the number is gonna be down again. And without further ado, introducing the GPU Asus RTX 4090 under a VRTX water block from Thermaltake, and on the flip side the Radiator SR360 also from Thermaltake, and a few Corsair fans. The Thermaltake Reservoir PR32 with D5 water pump, aka the ugly reservoir. This is what we're going to be replacing today, along with the coolant as well. And last but not least, the case, the Tower 300, also from Thermaltake. This is my baby, ladies and gentlemen. Please note, this video is not being sponsored by Thermaltake. I'm just a computer scientist who loves what I do. Alright, now it's time for the surgery. I've done a time lapse because it's a very long process. But if you want to see only the results, feel free to skip to the end of the video, and because we're going to be checking the numbers again and see if that actually fixes the problem. Also, along the video, you're going to see some weird things inside the GPU water block. I've done a special video only for that. I strongly encourage you guys to check it out. It's very interesting. I'll leave the link in the description and also at the corner of this video. If you think that I could have done something better, something different, please leave it in the comments. And also, I really appreciate if you can like, subscribe, and support me on my journey. And now, please sit back, relax, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, now that the process is done, we have a brand new coolant, brand new reservoir. It's time to test and see if the numbers are better. I hope that the colors of the GPU is not gonna go red again. And let's see how it goes. And oh my gosh, yep, it didn't solve the problem, guys. I will have to check different components. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.